This is a case study in how the powerful corrodes the rule of law. Unang-una din dito, sa mga sinasabi nila, the powerful corrodes the rule of law. This is a case against the government. How will the powerful corrode the rule of law when both parties are powerful? Mas malakas nga. Di ba? Mas malakas nga yung merong makinarya. Medyo weird lang. Medyo weird lang. Kasi nga, parang sasabihin mo, siguro, punta tayo kunwari sa chess. Parehong grandmaster ang naglalaban. Tapos sasabihin mo, ito ang classic example kung paano binubuli ng grandmaster ang kanyang kalaro. Oh wait, hindi mo pwedeng gamitin yung grandmaster na anggulo because both of them are grandmasters. You cannot play this card. The powerful corrodes the rule of law because this is a case against two powerful parties.